If you've ever been to New York, specifically Brooklyn Bridge, it's almost impossible to find it without people on it. So what we can do is use the generative fill to get rid of these people. So let's grab our lasso tool. And sometimes it's better to kind of do these like maybe in 2 or 3 passes, but it's always worth a try to see if we can do it in one hit. And let's just select everybody here. And then we're going to hit generative fill. Now we're not going to put anything in there. We're just going to hit generate and see if it can just replace it with the background. A lot of situations like this, when you do it, you end up with some kind of an artifact. But it's not too bad to actually come back and then just remove the artifact afterwards. In this situation, we just got it bang on first go. So if we look at the other variations, we'll see sometimes you'll get things like that or things like that that are not necessarily wanted. But here, we just got it perfectly first go. Now, if you do get things like this that you want to get rid of, well, let's say this, then all you got to do is just essentially select the area that you don't like. I'm going to hit the shift key to add to it. So I just want to leave a little bit of that white line down the middle there. And then we're just going to hit generative fill and let it generate. And notice it's going to create a separate layer now. So rather than just doing it in one hit, we can do it in 2 hits. Of course, we got very lucky with the first one. And sometimes you do. Sometimes you just hit it like right out of the park first time. And other times you might have to go for a second attempt like I did here. And if we look at the second or the third variation there, I'm thinking I actually pretty much like maybe the second variation the best. And there we go. We've removed all the people out of here. And now you could composite your own people into the scene or, do whatever it is you wanted to do with this particular image.